Hello traders, good morning all. Hope you all had a fantastic trading day yesterday. Risk disclaimer: all information provided on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement regarding profits expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. This video is not about any copy trade service. I want to keep these videos in a short manner for next few episodes because I'm just not at my place. And so what happened in Nifty? Nifty opened flat, went, tested our first resistance zone, rejected, and hit this 11,260 zone. Okay, I mean basically the value area high. So the levels matter. Okay, rather playing at a random level. See, this is what we mentioned: 11,340 and 11,360 are the zones to watch on higher side. Only if that takes comfortably, then bulls might have some steam left. Also, I said if it want to be bullish, it need to open a gap up strongly, which not happened. So that was enough clue for me to short on this rejection for this as the target. So when you have your plan handy, when the market reacts at your level, all you need to do is just trade, have some stop loss and cover at your targets. That is all you need to do. Yesterday, once it closed around highs, all had 11,500, 11,800, 12k targets. But once it started rejecting here, we know this zone. That is why I always say I love these kind of trades rather chasing a long at highs, because being a mean reversion trader is shorting the highs, buying the lows. It not fits every time, and you need to know when to do a mean reversion trade and when to do a trend trade. So I use market profile specifically for that. I know when to do a mean reversion trade, when to stay away as a mean reversion trader. I know what not to do. Yesterday I don't want to do a long at highs, definitely. That one thing would have saved me rather betting here longs. So it broke this comfortably, tested yesterday's POC, I mean day before yesterday's POC, as well as this HVN zone. Okay, Bank Nifty, the same case. This zone reacted very well. 22,380 to 22,470 reacted very well. It rejected as well. This zone rejected as well and came, hit the HVN mark and came till previous day's POC. So coming today, okay, mostly I feel it is going to be a kind of flattish day on Bank Nifty until we trade below 21,900 comfortably or 22,500 comfortably. So today's range I expect is 21,900 to 800 and 22,500. A strong trending move will happen only above this or below this. till that it is going to stay in this range. If we open flat, then we are going to auction morely inside previous days range. Okay, if you open a gap down below 21,800 or something, then this expiry could be a kind of big expiry, especially on Bank Nifty. We have Reliance results today, so Bank Nifty would be a balancing act. If Reliance goes scales higher, Bank Nifty will be scaling lower or stay sideways, and makes Nifty also to stay sideways. Okay, so that is what I feel like. So this expiry, if we open flat, if we hold this 21,900 mark, and if price breaks 22,000 on pullback, I will be buying, looking for 22,100 and 22,230. In case if we open flat and if it resists at 22,230 and comes below 22,100 on pullback, I will be shorting, looking for 21,930, this VPOC especially. On higher side, as I said, it need to break 22,500 for any bigger up move. On Nifty, if we open flat and scales above 11,250 and stays comfortably on pullback, I will be buying, looking for 11,280 or 11,300. If we open somewhere above 11,250 or 240, and if we resist around yesterday's POC zone 11,280 or 290, if it comes below 11,260 on pullback, I will be shorting, looking for 11,240 and 11,200. The playing zone is not big for especially for Nifty today, so you need to be very nimble with your trades. And as a tip I used to give, today is a monthly expiry day, so it's better to come, if you are an option buyer, it's better to come trade after 1:30 or 1 PM afternoon. Till that, be a spectator or don't open your screen. Okay, just watch how the auction unfolds. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So levels, as I say, levels matter. Good levels provide a good trading opportunity, so try to find those levels. So that's it for today. Catch you all on next episode. Have a great expiry trading day. Respect risk, protect your capital. There is always another trading day. Take care, stay happy. Bye.